Today we're going to take a look at the ease of replacing your Dankoff Solar Pump's filter. Let's start by running clean water through. Now we're going to introduce some dirt. We can see it enter on the left, process through the filter, and clean water exits on the right. After some time of dirty water running through your filter, you may encounter clogs or issues with water quality. This means it's time to replace your filter. Here, we're going to see that process. Use the filter case wrench to twist and remove the filter from your setup. This comes with every filter purchase. Remove filter from the canister. Here, you can see our dirty filter. Ensure your O-ring hasn't fallen out. Insert a clean filter into the canister as the old one was. Reattach to your setup and secure with the filter case wrench. Let's get this pump running once again. As we saw before, dirty water enters on the left, processing through the filter, and clean water exits on the right. Your water is once again being filtered successfully. Dankoff Solar, an investment in your future.